Have you always wanted to make your own palm kernel oil at home? Then this is just the video for you. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I extracted oil from palm kernel seeds. To all my new viewers and subscribers, my name is Sonia and welcome to my channel. To begin, I gathered some of the palm kernel, about 2 bowls, and crushed all of them to remove the seeds. After removing the seeds, I washed the seeds under running water. Crushing these kernels made me recollect my childhood days. In my part of the world, which is Ghana, after we have made soup out of the palm nuts, the palm kernels are usually dried on a flat surface, especially maybe a ground or septic tanks, and the children and sometimes the adults used to crush these kernels and eat them, and it was such fun times. Sadly, nowadays we don't really see that much in our communities, but those were good days. Guys, I'm not going to lie to you. Crushing these kernels took time. I spent about 2 days. I started on a Saturday and finished crushing them on a Sunday. I didn't crush them throughout the day, but it took time. That's what I just want. So if you're interested in making some, I think you can start now. I don't even know what to say. You can do it gradually, because if you say you are going to sit down in one sitting to crush so many kernels, you get tired and discouraged and even give up on this process. So this is what I got. I was aiming for a full bowl, but I couldn't get it because of time. I got about half of it. So after crushing it, I washed all the seeds under running water thoroughly and drained the water from the seeds. I washed it about 3 times. I wanted it to be very clean. So I went ahead to blend the seeds. In this step, I will entreat you or caution you to get a very powerful blender, because the seeds are very, very hard. When I was blending them, I was scared for the blender because I didn't want any eka on me. So I blended it. I tried my best. I didn't fully blend to smaller pieces, but it did the work. So after blending, I added more water to it because it was going to stay on fire for some time. So I washed everything from the blender and added more water. So let's get into the classroom. and find out the benefits of palm kernel oil for our daily life. Particularly for our skin, it contains antioxidants and vitamin E, which provide amazing anti-aging benefits and also protect the skin against harmful UV rays and toxins. Besides the anti-aging benefits, it can make the skin naturally soft. That's why it's a very key ingredient in making various soaps and creams. So in all the processes, this is the most important step. I place the palm kernel seeds and water on fire, and I waited it to boil till the oil came out. So if you are watching, you can see that there's some oil particles on top of it. So I boiled it till I saw that all the oil, or almost all the oil, has been extracted. So here it is. This is what I got after the boiling stage. So after here, I pour the oil and the remainder of some of the water into a cup for it to settle down. We all know that water and oil don't mix together. So the water will settle down and the oil will come up. So after I poured it in a cup, I placed it in the fridge for the oil to solidify. I left mine in the freezer for a long time, so the water also froze. But you don't have to do that. As soon as you see that the oil has frozen, you can take it out and remove the oil. So I separated the oil from the water and boiled the oil till all the water evaporated for it to be left with only the oil. So back to our benefits. Palm kernel oil also improves hair growth by nourishing the hair shaft, and making it stronger. And this will prevent breakage, which leads to hair loss. So for your overall health of your body, palm kernel oil contains zero cholesterol and makes it a favorable substitute to other cooking oil for people with high cholesterol and heart disease. It also contains vitamin A, which improves eyesight. So after boiling the oil till the water evaporated, I strained it to prevent other particles from entering the oil into the jar that I'm going to store it in. So yeah, I actually use tea bag to strain it, so whatever tool that you can use to strain and it is clean, you can use it. So guys, don't forget to like my video and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. If you've watched up to this point, you have to subscribe to my channel. And also, if you have any other projects that you want me to take on, you can mention it in the comments section. So see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.